Okay. Um, Today is not a good day. It started off okay. But yeah, today I am at max loss. So this is let me turn down my mic just a little bit. Yeah. Max loss, and on the stock, I'm looking at it right now. It is currently trading at $24 a share. My last trade was a loss where I purchased at 13.79. So yeah, the stock is CWD, but we're gonna start with some other stocks. We're gonna start with what I started off today. Put this over here real quick. So I remember. Okay. Let's jump over the screen share. The first stock I traded today was S-Tech. This was around um, yeah, this was around 7:20 in the morning. So or yeah, about 7:20 on S-Tech here. Okay, so S-Tech and DSY, whenever I first pulled up the scanners this morning, oh my god, CWD is up 1,000%, 1,200%. Uh, my brain and my heart hurt. Oh my god. Um, I just want to get this over with so I can emotionally recover for a little bit. Um, but yeah, so S-Tech and DSY were both up like 600% this morning. I got a trade on S-Tech and I was down $8. I think it was on this. I think I bought this pop right here. Or yeah, no, I was at 4. I was looking for the trade through VWAP at 7 a.m. on S-Tech and that failed. And then DSY, I got a trade right after that. I think it was the same thing. I was looking for this possible breakthrough VWAP and that ended up just not playing out. And then YOL happened. So YOL was a 64 million share float. So when this came up, oh my god, it pulled the whole way back. When this came up, I was down, I think, $1 on the day. Um, or right? No, I think I was up like $2 because I got a trade on Zone as well. Sorry, let me take a look at Zone. Yeah, I got this trade right here, the breakthrough VWAP. Third time's a charm, I guess. So yeah, uh, so about 7:20, Yule pops up, and I end up going green on it. This was a nice trade. I got this the 1 minute pullback right here, right there for, and then I got 40 cents a share or 80 cents on, or no, yeah, I got 40 cents a share on Yule, and then that got me up about 23 bucks of the day. And at that point, I was like, I need to stop. Take your green day and run away. $23 on a $440 account, that's 5%. 5% is a good growth, or it's yeah, it's healthy growth. But I didn't do that. And then the man of the hour, CWD. My god. So you look at this and you're like, how in the world can you lose money? How? It's up a thousand, 1,200%. How can you lose money on it? Well, I did. I did for sure. Let's actually go on the 10-second chart because I think that's where it shows just where how easily you can. Oh my god, how easily it can just go wrong. So I stopped trading it right around here. Just all this makes me sad. That's trading though. There'll always be another one. There'll always be another one. Um, yeah. So just, I mean, this candle right here. If we take a look, oh, that is $14 a share. So I actually stopped trading it a bit earlier. Um, just these false breakouts of trying to break through half and whole dollars. That's what I was trying to get dips on half and whole dollars, and like they just went nowhere for me. Um just I feel like everywhere I think this was probably the worst one I got at 739. Um just a strong breakout, it goes up to 6. I'm like, okay, I'll buy this, try to get in at the half and whole dollar. It's flushed out, and then you're down $50. And then I made my way up and down, just a full-on roller coaster today. And then the final trade, which is kind of what did it for today, is I bought at 13.79 at, what time was this? 8:07. Yeah, so I think I tried to buy a dip here, and it just dropped down $1 a share, and there goes my good day, or there goes my green day that I had. And I think that's kind of what I'm going to get at to the point here is something I've struggled with in my 9 months of trading is get green and run away. Don't walk away, full on sprint away, because yeah, let me just, we're going on venting session. You have a green day, take the green day, run away, because whether it's 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%, you will gain more confidence in just getting away, running away. You're like, I just robbed the market. I don't want to get caught. So why do you keep going back for more? And when I say we, I'm talking directly to myself, because this is my problem. This is my issue with trading. And whether it's emotional, whether it is I'll show you my P&L in a little bit. Whether it's emotional, whether you are confident in making a technical trade, but then your confidence in your technical ability, your technical reading just is, you're overconfident in your technicals, but then you're way underconfident in how you can react when those technicals go wrong. And I think that's me. I think that is me, and I think that's probably a lot of traders. We're confident, we know how to read candlestick charts, we know how to look at the level 2, we know how to be like, okay, yeah, this is what, there's a good chance to buy here, there's a big buyer on the bid, or hey, stay away, there was a big seller on the ask. And that was CWD, right around $7 a share the first time. Where time was this? 7:25. Just it's crazy how much this thing has gone up. There was a, this right, is my time thing right at the bottom? Oh, that was different stock. My bad. CWD right around 7 at 7:55. Sorry, I was looking at Yole. There was a seller at 7, like 118,000 share seller. So that, I don't think I reacted well enough to that, where I was like, I got scared, where I was like, okay, I can't take a trade or just get in, get out quickly, because the seller is holding it down. That seller disappears, and we go up $3 a share. So I think technically I have a lot of the right tools in the toolbox technically. It's just that emotion that just, I want to fight back, and you don't win when you fight back. You lose. You get clobbered. So I think that is a lesson a lot of people can learn, and I'm $331 in my account. I need to keep it. I've already had this account. I think I funded it with $1,000 and just kind of went up and down, and I need to keep it over 100 to actually keep it active. But if it runs to zero, or if I lose the rest of this money, I'm gonna go back into the sim, and I'm gonna document that, because I don't know if many people have done that. My mic is still a bit too loud. Um, so I don't know if many people have documented that, just the journey of going back to a sim. So why not me? Why not me? And I hope people can find valuable information about that, or gain a lot of emotional connection to that, because God, it would suck. I've been in this account for 3 months, and I was up a lot. I had that account at $1,700 in mid-July. And where did it go? And you're like, yes, I lost $1,700, but it was in my trading account, and I don't really pull money from that because I know I'm going to gain and I'm going to lose. So yes, I did have $1,700, but I didn't give the market my $1,700 that I physically worked for every single day. I gave it $700. I can live with that. I don't make a ton of money at my regular job, but I can live with that. So yeah, let's quit blabbering, and I'll pull over my P&L. So I have, with my broker, Ocean One, I have a max loss. My max loss is $100. And I think if I did that max loss 2 months ago, I would be in a better spot. So if you look back, there's always the best time to start something, anything in life. The best time to start something was yesterday, or a year ago, or 5 years ago. And I think I'm going to get into a video about that, because this isn't my first time trying to trade. This is my first time trying to trade. There's a big difference in that. I think I might make a video on that. But yeah, let's quit blabbering. So my P&L, minus 108.99. Yeah, is what it is. Can't do anything about it. Would I have loved to go back to CWD at $4 a share when I was buying it? Yeah, I would. I really would. But that's not trading. There's no control Z's in trading. So yeah, I think that's the good news is there's momentum in the market. The bad news is I need to emotionally handle that, because for the last couple weeks there really hasn't been a ton in the market. I've been trading every day, or at least trying to. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, the biggest thing is just trying to recover from this. I'll forget about this tomorrow. Well, probably not. I'll wake up and be like, God dang it, Zach, you idiot! Why do you do the things you do? But then I'm gonna trade, and I'm hopefully gonna have a green day, $10-15, and that's the lesson. Get the $10-15 or $20. I was up $24 today. That's 5%. 5% over 40 trading days is $3,000. You can compound your growth. Just gotta do that better. So let me know what you guys finished up today. Red, green, doesn't matter. And I hope my transparency connects with you. I'm not the best talker, best communicator, especially looking at a computer. I think in person I can do it better, but I'm learning. As long as, same with trading. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out, helps me keep going. And yeah, we'll be back again tomorrow. There's another day to make another dollar. Have a good one, guys. Peace.